Welcome to Health and Beauty with a new video. Are you one of the millions of people around the world who suffer from high blood pressure? If so, you know how serious this condition can be? In this video, we will explore the symptoms and reasons of high blood pressure and share some tips and tricks on how to control it naturally. Symptoms. The symptoms of high blood pressure can be subtle and go unnoticed, but they can also be life-threatening. Imagine you're out with your family when suddenly you feel a sharp pain in your chest and your head is pounding. You can't catch your breath and you start to feel dizzy. This is just one example of how high blood pressure can impact your daily life. High blood pressure is often referred to as the silent killer because it can develop without any obvious symptoms. It can be caused by a variety of factors including obesity, smoking, stress, lack of physical activity, and a diet high in salt and saturated fat. How high blood pressure can damage the body. High blood pressure can cause damage to your arteries, heart, brain, and other organs. This damage can lead to serious health complications such as heart disease, stroke, and kidney failure. Tips and tricks on how to control high blood pressure naturally. If you have high blood pressure, it's important to make some lifestyle changes to manage it. Here are some tips and tricks to help you control your high blood pressure naturally. First, exercise regularly. Physical activity can help lower your blood pressure and improve overall health. You don't have to run a marathon, just take a brisk walk or swim a few laps. Second, reduce sodium intake. Consuming too much salt can cause your blood pressure to rise, so it's important to limit your sodium intake. Try using herbs and spices instead of salt to add flavor to your food. Third, eat a healthy diet. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help reduce blood pressure. Try incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet and avoid processed foods. Fourth, manage stress. Stress can cause your blood pressure to rise, so it's important to find ways to manage stress such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. You can also try talking to a therapist or counselor. Fifth, quit smoking. Smoking can raise your blood pressure and increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. If you smoke, consider quitting or seeking help from a smoking cessation program. High blood pressure can be managed with the right lifestyle changes. By making healthy choices and adopting some natural remedies, you can control your blood pressure and lead a happier, healthier life. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on health and beauty.